Give it another shot or?
No, you try now.
Okay, it's my try now.
Show me.
I'll see what I can do. Also, yeah, we get rid of that blank plus.
Well, of course it's easier now for you because you already saw the map when I was playing it.
True. Thanks.
Now he knows all the tricks.
I knew them before already, don't you worry.
Tea.
Yeah, the tea.
It's almost cold. Like really cold.
I have to check if I forgot something here as well. Yeah, one is up. Two is up. Two up are up there, okay?
How many people? You even have a counter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be mad.
Yeah. Why you have to be mad? It's only counted.
Only Christmas.
Only Christmas, she said. Like it's not a big deal at all or something.
Yo.
Gaming clutch. That's what's up. Insert a random AJ code here. Yo, that's what's up.
Just as far as I was. And a big present. Oh my god.
Am I doing a high score run right now?
Congratulations.
If I manage to get a high score run now, that would be cool, wouldn't it?
Oh, Kentucky, it's Japanese Christmas.
No, it's Japanese Christmas, yes. But
no! Oh
no,
my
you
god.
don't die. You don't die.
You don't die for jumping on the...
Kelly, I guess.
Oh, I thought it was sausage.
Sausage.
Because there you have the KFC.
There's pecan pies, chocolate. Yeah, they got everything. Oh, it's bouncy.
Bouncy?
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Bouncy like sausage.
Sausage is bouncy? When was the last time you ate meat again?
It's been a few years.
Sausage ain't bouncy, that's what I can tell you.
Sweet mouth trumpet jade. Oh.
You bet.
This is your new nickname by Uga.
Thanks, Oogs. No, I got that jazz on hold.
Imagine it's only this song the whole game. This was the stage.
Dun, dun, dun.
Different. Oh, this is nice.
Oh no, don't worry, I got that cool bubble on me. Oh, I thought she's gonna keep that.
This song sounds just like a jam session. You know what I mean?
But not the good kind of jam session, that is.
It's just like let's do some jingle sound and you play whatever you like, and this is what the people are doing.
It's like, and now it's Billy's turn, who got no present for Christmas thanks to
and Billy's like,
Santa cake.
I
hate Santa. I hate Christmas.
And I want to fuck up your Christmas
Billy,
music.
I'm dead inside.
You're safe, jump.
Yeah, but I wouldn't reach from that one part, so I had to do in between jump.
Uh-oh. Next year, Billy's revenge.
It's gonna take a shit in your mailbox.
You mean in the chimney?
That would be better. That would be actually pretty clutch from Billy. If he took a big old dump in the mailbox
In the
in the
chimney.
chimney. Yeah, sorry. I'm really hooked on the idea of him taking a dump in the mailbox. Don't take it out on me that I'm having very solid ideas of.
Maybe
What?
both.
We're missing a gift.
You are missing a gift.
Alright, then it's my run. It's my run. Okay. If I do world record on
No,
this,
what are you doing?
yeah, checking if there's something that I missed. Ah, wait, maybe I just go on top here, huh?
Yes. Oh,
Don't worry. Okay, yeah, come up. Maybe I can go up there some way or another.
I don't think. Ah, it's so hidden. It's the same color as
Yeah,
the...
that was a bit difficult to see, alright?
Same color. Oh, man.
I thought I had it. I was a bit too...
Greedy.
You can praise it however you want.
I did.
I had this game on my world record run list, so maybe...
Now's the time. And
No,
and
never.
I'm here, right next to you.
You said it has nothing to do with you.
What?
I said we, and you said no, not me.
No,
Oh.
no. I mean, I'm
Are
happy.
you witnessing like?
Yeah.
Are you happy about that?
Yes. What is wrong with you? Why are you so not happy?
Oh, I'm happy, alright?
Why do you need to? That was just a thing.
Because I get 500 points per frozen enemy. You gotta get every point in that you can get.
Let's see what is the music.
Cake was like, I wanted to have just one non-world record related stream for a long time, and he has to go scoring again on the
Look,
Amiga.
a fork.
Yeah. You need to do eating, you know?
You know what? Basically, you could do a Christmas song. You just like, however, because you just have to add jingles.
Yeah,
And then,
that is very true.
can we do that? Can we do that? Can we?
Want to
do
write a Christmas song?
Yeah, yeah, right. Write it. No.
You just want to take a song that already exists and add bells to it. Am I right here?
No. Look, we,
I'm listening.
we should take a sample of jingle,
Got you.
just like that.
Mhm.
And then we'll do Euro dance. Christmas.
Eurodance Christmas.
Euro dance Christmas song.
Alright. Whatever makes you happy. I have a feeling that maybe being on this. You know, we're gonna go here for a bit, see what's all happening down here. We can still backpedal if we know what's happening, so we don't have to take the lower route again. Okay, bring the low, it doesn't do anything for us here.
Just the first stage again, just longer.
Just longer, she said.
See,
Wow! You get just such a speed boost if you hike those platforms.
yeah, no.
Okay, it could be that there's a present to the left, so maybe we need to backpedal, but
Yeah, I thought so. Why are you going right?
because we have to figure out anyways, and I'll just like to explore this way.
So Vam is actually interested.
Yeah, of course Vam is interested. Vam would be blasting that shit for weeks.
Me too, me too.
That is true. But Eurobeat or Eurodance?
Oh,
Oh. Eh.
wait, are you now even more to the right?
Yeah, I'm at the end of the level now. Helicopter! Helicopter!
Hilfe!
Hilfe!
Oh.
Aua, Hilfe! Ah, come on!
What am I witnessing?
Got enough lives. Okay, don't worry. So, we need to backpedal.
Yeah, no. I knew that. The moment you left, you went to the right.
I think I'm gonna do it from the top platform here. It works.
Oh.
And now that's not gonna work. We need to figure out.
I think you need to be one higher.
Problem is, I cannot reach this one, right? So I need to.
But you can reach that one cloud, I think. After
Yeah,
this cloud,
this one we've been on already.
Not
But
the
this
one.
one, no,
Oh, okay,
doesn't work. This doesn't work as well. The question is, did we just soft lock ourselves?
No, you did.
Ah! Ha ha ha! You stay frozen, bruh. So there was one going very high.
Just have to wait for it. Oh!
Oh! Okay, yeah, but hey, we know, no? We know. It's all good.
Oh! This is such a cute sprite, you know.
The jumping
No,
eggnog
the
jars?
Panthera.
Oh yeah. He's kind of cool. Ah.
Uh-oh.
Okay, now we can go all the way back here and do all the stuff up here. Ah, okay, but this is reachable. Oh wait, this.
I think so. Oh, I thought you flipped. Oh,
There we are.
nice.
Last two. Ah! Didn't want to scare you.
Oh, good.
He just caught me a bit off guard, that's all. Look at him. Look at him go.
Yeah, what is the deal?
Eggnog jar, probably.
Yeah, but eggnog is not brown. Well, we should have eggnog.
We have some at home.
No, but we should get some. I think you can even like do it yourself somehow.
Is it not a lot of work?
I don't know. My brother made it a few years ago.
At work or what?
No, for a Christmas present.
Ah.
I think. Do you remember?
Yeah, not too vivid, but I do.
think it was 2 years or 3 years.
I think Peter did the same.
Who?
From Rec.
Yeah, I don't remember. Could be. Ooh.
We lost a lot of Santas due to my stupidity and stubbornness, but at the same time, got our goal.
How many levels are there?
I think it's over soon.
No, it's not what I mean.
Yeah, but no, that's what I mean. I think it's over soon.
What are those?
Yes, evil cupcakes.
They're
Just
cancel bots.
Just an elaborate guess, right? Wait, is this the same level we've been through already?
No.
No, they just look very similar.
They switch it up. I want. Oh my god.
It's
That was
perfect.
close.
Okay, that's an interesting one. Ah, that's cool.
Do you think there is a Weihnachtsmann and FPGA game?
Oh, that would be cool, but I don't think so.
You need to check that out. I will play it.
Okay, we gotta get back here. This is a backtracking level, which is fine with me as well. Come on.
What is the song again?
I wouldn't know. Do you? Is it?
I know.
Does it sound familiar to you?
It does.
Ah, come on. What a dingus.
It sounds familiar to me, but I'm not too sure. What?
Ah, I had the shield.
No,
I was very confident that the shield is gonna do its thing here. I'm sorry.
No, I'm just nervous for you.
Ah, it doesn't work the first time. It's gonna work the second time I play it. Big of a deal. And see? Hidden up there, huh? Game, huh? Hidden all the way up there. That's what I want. Oh, we're good, we're good.
If anyone knows, please let me know what this song is called originally.
Something with Christmas.
Yeah, I'm not going to...
But there's another center, it's all good, it's all good.
Just wait until it's...
Yeah, they're hard. The platforms are the hard thing to judge in my opinion. Oh, come on. Okay, well, never mind. We got our Santa. There's so many more gifts we need to get, so
Yeah,
that's a bit of a...
huge stage. Oh.
I think we cannot really reach these.
Yeah, I think you need to be one platform.
Yeah, probably this one and then go to the right.
Actually, we can just use this game's soundtrack for Christmas Eve.
Imagine. I mean, the game is a lot of gifts. The gift of getting lives back, for example, the big one in this game.
There.
Helicopter. Yeah, this one is good.
Oh.
Especially since it's a slow one. Oh, you got it?
I want that. Wow!
Congratulations, you've completed the game. Game over.
Good job!
So, for everyone watching on Level Up Score, this is the first Advent. Merry Christmas to all of you if you're watching this on the 24th or 25th, and if you're watching it before that, please vote. Thank you.